Hello friends, today we're going to explore a little black box I found. This is it, not much to it. I haven't looked at it yet in detail. This is exactly as I found it. We got a red and black wire there, similar looking wire here, fairly thick cable. So my guess is that this is some sort of power line filter. So we're going to take the screws out of it real quick. I'm using a drill, unlike everybody else on YouTube who uses screwdrivers. And let's see what's inside in 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Just kidding, it's on the other side. Now this is interesting. There's a little IC there. I think I was wrong about the power supply filter. What this appears to be, let's see if I can get this out for the rest of you to see. Okay. This, I'm pretty sure, is a little switching power supply. Whoops, we'll hold that up so that you can see it. This is a little switching power supply. So probably the input comes in here, as a guess. We take some voltage in and we put a different voltage out under the control of this. This is a little power supply controller chip probably. This is a capacitor. Got some bigger capacitors, a couple of chokes that are probably used in the filter. This says C9 on it, so it's another capacitor. We may have a little power transistor here somewhere that I can't see. I'll get out my glasses. This looks like a diode. The nomenclature is a D. I don't see any transistors there, so maybe this little IC is the whole thing. So my goal here was to make this as quick as possible, just a black box reveal sort of thing. And so we'll stop there, and once I figure it out, we'll make a second part. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.